The impact of any alien news today is unlikely to match that of 17 minutes of grainy black and white film footage debuted in 1995. Released by London-based producers Ray Santilli and Gary Schofield, the so-called alien autopsy tape appeared to show three government pathologists in full-body hazmat suits dissecting the pale, pot-bellied corpse of an extraterrestrial being presumably recovered from a UFO crash at Roswell in 1947. We will view that footage now, and I leave the decision up to you, the viewer, to judge for yourself. What do you think? Anyways, it was impossible to establish the film's provenance. Santilli and Schofield claimed to have bought the footage from a retired military cameraman in the United States, but they refused to identify him, citing privacy concerns. A private investigator hired by Fact or Fiction's producers couldn't track him down. The following year, Santilli taped an interview with the cameraman, but the man didn't give his name or show his face. Though it was broadcast on Japanese TV, the segment did little to re-establish the cameraman's credibility or even proof of his existence. Meanwhile, several enthusiasts and experts featured in Fact or Fiction came forward to claim that their statements had been edited to make them sound less skeptical of the film than they were. By '96, a consensus had developed that the film was probably a hoax. An episode of The X-Files called Jose Chung's from Outer Space, which also aired on Fox that year, mocked the autopsy video with its own take on the genre. In 2006, Santilli admitted the film was not authentic, but rather a staged reconstruction of footage he claimed to have viewed in 1992, but which had deteriorated and become unusable by the time he had made his film. He claimed that a few frames from the original were embedded in his film, but he never specified which ones. The existence of an original film strip of the alleged autopsy has never been independently verified.